Hey guys, my name is Christopher Roman. I'm a real estate agent here out of Dallas, Texas with Bishop Country Realty Group. And this is the deal of the day's video. Basically, I'm going to be making videos where you can get the deal of the day or multiple deals of the day, particularly with new construction, what incentives they're running, what options there are, how much are the price reductions, and see if any of these become a match for you, especially if you're in the market looking for a house to buy, or if you're just curious as to what's happening out there in the market. So hopefully I can be a helpful tool in your toolbox for buying or searching, and we'll get right into it. They won't be as long. This is an intro video, so it'll probably be a little bit longer, and there will be a part 2 and 3 with like different deals going on. So hopefully you can scroll through those, either YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, wherever you're watching. So again, hopefully this comes as a help, and today we're looking at Highland Homes. And you can see my screen here, obviously. We look at the map. They're a highly renowned builder. And as you can see, these are all the communities that they have. Right now, their incentive is $20,000 towards closing costs or towards buying down the interest rates or bringing down the sale price or taking that mortgage insurance off if you have that down payment high enough to where it falls off at the 20%. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we can go into a video more in depth into that. But as of now, that's the incentive. That's if you use their preferred lender, okay? So we got probably another minute to go here. We're gonna be looking at all different price tags, and right now we're gonna start with probably the lower end. We're in Highland, Texas, which is kind of east, well, directly east from Dallas. It's not too far. You're talking about 35 minutes to 50, depending on traffic. But we got all sizes here under the $400,000 mark. Look at that. Let's check these out. Here we go, a 1,585 square foot plan. There's pictures. Obviously, this is not exactly a representation. Here's a screenshot. Take one if you'd like. This is of the actual selections for the house. This is not the actual house. This is just a representation of, okay? It is the floor plan, but it's not the house. So we're gonna go through that. I'm gonna go a little quick because we're running out of time. But as you can see, lots of good stuff here. There's even a video walkthrough. Here you can see also the house, the price, and the blueprint. So thanks guys. Watch the next video. You wanna see more houses like that.